Hey everyone, if you want to create high-click YouTube thumbnails for free, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Photopea for YouTube thumbnails step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. First, open Photopea and create a new project. Set the size to 1280 by 720 pixels, which is the standard size for YouTube thumbnails and ensures good quality on all devices. Next, add your background image. Either drag and drop an image into Photopea or use the File menu to open it and place it on your canvas. Now add text using the Text tool. Choose bold and readable fonts like Impact or Arial Black so your thumbnail stands out even on small mobile screens. Make your text pop by adding effects like stroke, shadow, or glow. These effects help grab attention instantly and make your thumbnail look more professional. Then add images or cutouts like faces or objects. Remove backgrounds if needed and position them in a way that clearly tells a story. Adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation. Strong and vibrant colors help your thumbnail stand out in YouTube search and recommendations. Finally, export your thumbnail by going to File and clicking Export As. Choose JPG or PNG for the best quality and download your final design. So yeah, that's how you use Photopea for YouTube thumbnails. It's simple, powerful, and completely free. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more design tutorials for beginners for more easy tips and tricks. All right.